Hello and welcome. We are excited to announce that we now have our inland marine policy screen now built out. So I'm going to be going over step by step what's available on the inland marine policy screen. So from your client view, as just a review, to add a new policy, you would come to the client view screen, come to the policies section and click to add. So I've already created my inland marine policy here. So we'll start going through this step by step. So very similar looking to other policy screens. You can input policy information such as premium, policy number up top here in this section. And then when you come down here, you'll see the inland marine specific sections here. So summary information, first section here. So this allows you to input things like descriptions, address, location, building numbers, class code, subclass. Is the item scheduled or is it not? Number of items, the valuation type, whether that's actual cash value or some other valuation type, max value, and coinsurance if applicable here, and also can input other coverage details like the schedule number if that's applicable, and is it policy level, coverage code, description, limit applies to, deductible type, the option code, coinsurance, and any additional comments. You can also have a section here to delete schedules. So moving right along, we also have the capability to add in additional interest here. So you can put the interest type, whether that's a lender's lost payee, lien holder, some other type here. You can put name or add from already existing lien holders in your company section. Can input loan number, lien amount, interest item, rank, comments. All of these are available options and can delete the additional interest here as well. As far as equipment storage, it does allow for location number, building number, number of months, max value inside, max value outside, type of security system that would be in place at this location, and also the capability to input additional comments here and delete the additional here. And also there's a section for specifically scheduled items, so can input schedule number, item number, description, manufacturer, model year, item value, exclude blanket, is it owned or leased, is it new or used, coinsurance, ID, serial number, amount of insurance, and also space for comments here as well as the capability to delete this additional item here. So this is a quick overview of our inland marine policy type. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.